In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Google Drive link in Basecamp. We're going to walk through this process from start to finish, so by the end, you'll be able to share any Google Doc, sheet, or other file directly inside your Basecamp project without having to upload duplicate copies or worry about who can see what. First, let's grab the link from Google Drive. Open the file you want to share. This might be a Google Doc, a spreadsheet, a slide deck, or any other file stored in your drive. In the top right corner of the screen, you'll see a share button or a small share icon. Go ahead and click that. A sharing window will pop up. Look for the section labeled General Access. This is where you control who can open that link. Change the setting to Anyone with the link. Then choose the level of access you want people to have. Viewer if you only want them to read it, commenter if you'd like feedback without editing, or editor if you want full collaboration. Taking a moment to choose the right permission here is important because it determines what your teammates in Basecamp can actually do with the file. Once you've selected the appropriate access, click Copy Link. That copies the unique Google Drive URL to your clipboard. After that, click Done to close the sharing window. Now your link is ready to be added to Basecamp. Next, switch over to your Basecamp account and open the project where you want this file to live. Inside that project, find and click on the Docs and Files section. This is the area where you keep shared resources, documents, and any supporting materials for the project. In Docs and Files, look for the green New button and click it. From the options that appear, choose Google Drive. In some versions of Basecamp, this may appear under External Service, but the idea is the same. You're connecting something stored outside of Basecamp. You'll now be prompted to fill in a few details. Start by entering a clear title for your link, something descriptive like Project Proposal or Marketing Plan Q3, so people immediately know what they're clicking on. Then paste the Google Drive URL you copied earlier into the link field. You'll also see a space for a note. This is optional, but very helpful. Use it to add context, like what the file is for, whether it's a draft or final version, or any instructions for your team. When everything looks good, click Post this. In some older versions of Basecamp, the button might say, Add this, but it performs the same action. Your Google Drive file is now linked inside Basecamp, easy for your whole team to find and use.